guys, today is Monday, April 8th. It is spring break for Kerrigan and I, and we've decided to go to Ikea. We haven't been to Ikea in a while, so we thought it would be fun. I started getting a sore throat on Friday when I was leaving school to start my spring break, so that was fun. Yeah, see, wouldn't my camera stabilizer come in really handy?
Not at all.
Now?
Not at Ikea.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, fun.
Wow.
You're gonna have a lot of fun.
Nebraska.
Is that far away?
I don't know.
I don't know where Nebraska is.
Me either. Oh, really?
Yeah.
That was a while ago.
Yeah.
I like these. They're in blue. I love that. I need to have that too.
Like, I want to be able to, like...
It's what? Oh. I like the blue. It's so cool.
I like blue, navy, and black.
Kitchen. You want a new desk, don't you?
I do.
Like, who would ever think to do this in the middle of a room and put, like, a big thing like that? It's so cool. I like those lamps, too, above the pictures. That would be neat. Wouldn't that be neat above each of the photos? I like that. See, I need to replace my carts. I don't want my beige carts anymore. I want the black or the blue.
Oh, this is such a nice color.
I know. I'd love to have a gray kitchen. I would wake up in the middle of the night and be terrified by crap hanging from the end of that. Mom.
Yeah. Look how good these are. See? See?
That's what you need. The separators, the containers.
But my bureau's not good enough.
These ones though, you gotta make sure they've got the support. See, feel underneath the drawer now, they have support bars.
Ooh, my bottom drawer.
I wonder if we can buy those separate. I know, mine are all a mess. See, here's my desk. That's my desk without the light table. Isn't that cool? Oh, that clock. Bryn would never know what time it is. I love these cupboards. We need new cushions for our wicker chairs. Oh, that's cool. I know. Seems really flat. Yeah, but you're small and young and can get back up again. That size though?
Yeah, it's like 2 doors. Because like I only use this door for like.
See, then there's.
Okay, wait. This is.
That's cool. This would be sweet.
Maybe she's like standing up desks. I just don't like handles, you know?
Ikea's messing with us. We've had these plates forever, and now they've changed them to these solid colors. Okay, I'll give it to them for the cutlery. It actually looks usable.
I love that.
But what? What? They're like solid colors.
Wait, no, I love it.
You do? I don't know. I don't know. See, this is what we're used to. We're used to the see-through ones. I don't know if I can get there.
Oh, I like it.
Do ya? It's a weird color palette, man.
Colors had... No, I like it.
I appreciate the white cup, but like that's an orangey. Is it orange or is it red? What is that? It's ugly.
No, it's not. It's cute.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I can get there because they've made changes without my authorization. That is really cool. Oh, you know what I do love is the paper. The roll of paper. This is excellent paper. I love this paper. There's the paper holder. This paper is excellent. Like the stuff I have on my desk, it's nice, thick paper. All right, do we want to get food? Yeah. Ooh, Kerrigan, this looks good. A barbecue chicken wrap. Do you want to share this?
Oh, yes.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Is that too much?
Overwhelming.
So we're people watching as people come into the restaurant, but not impressed with the restaurant today. Every table is dirty. My dad would have walked out. Yeah, seriously, like we took like a while to find this table, and even the ones next to us are dirty with crumbs. The floor is a mess, and there's like an empty milk carton. No, I'm like not happy about that. I just gave them like $15 to have our meal, which was a little weird.
Can I speak to the manager?
Yeah, can we?
As if you wouldn't.
You can make it up to us with free products. Okay. You're gonna go on the bottom floor?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're home. Kerrigan got another one of her bowls. She has this in pink. And then we got 2 scrubby brushes. I like these for the tubs and showers and the kitchen sink. I got this for one of my art pieces that I got from Comic-Con. And I ended up using the frame to take pictures of Scott and the kids to work. So I had to replace the frame. And then we got 2 of these frames, the Ribba frames, because I love them. And those are for this piece of artwork that we got in Maui. And I have another piece that we got in Maui. And we just are never going to find that same kind of frame. I got that at Michael's. And I just want everything to be those Ribba frames anyway. So, yeah, so I don't know if I'll put both of them there or down that end or what I'm going to do with them. And did I show you guys these? I got these from Value Village the other week. They're so cute. And I have a little bird that I got at Target. I just thought that was really cute. And I also bought these couch cushions because we have cushions that go with this couch, but Scott has brought them in on our gray coach. So that's the brown ones there. So, oh, and they look quite huge. But I got these to sort of match this pillow and to match the coach. So I thought those would be better. I don't want to take off these original covers because I do want to still keep them for that coach specifically. I would really like to get that coach reupholstered. But not right now. Oh, yay! Oh, they fit perfectly. There we go. Nice! That works. So just inside these pillows, it's just the fluff. It's not like a pillow form, so I don't want to like have it all over the place. So I'll just use the covers. So these were good. These were only $3.99. This particular color, and it goes pretty good with that. Cool. Well, these are nice. I don't like it. And now they go with the couch, and go with this pillow. Somebody spilt something on my pillow. I'm not too happy about that. People. So I'm gonna put the Maui artwork in these other frames. This one for my craft room is this one right here. It was just a little art piece from Crayon Monsters. He had really neat things. I actually got a whole set of them. Maybe I'll switch it up and change the artwork and pick a different one to go in the frame. We got a whole set of these. We got to pick. This was at Comic-Con in 2016 when Kerrigan and I went. So he's got a whole bunch of different ones. I'll do this one. And then just pop it in the frame. I love their frames and the fact that they don't use glass. They just use these plastic ones, and it makes the frames a lot lighter on your wall, especially those big ones that we have in the family room. There we go. Boom. So I'm just going to hang that right here. The nail is still in the wall. There he is, right above my Kleenex box. So that's all the artwork I've collected from other artists over time. So what I'm trying to figure out is, should I put both of them on this wall, one above the other? I think so. So what I'm going to do is just start hammering holes and stick them in. I just eyeball it. I don't measure anything. I literally just, I'll show you how I did that. I just went like this. I feel in the back for where this is. I go like that. And then I go, whoop, it's right about there. There we go. What I'm going to do is just sit this one on top of this one. This is just something I'm making up now, but it sounds logical. I'm just going to go like this, figure out roughly where the center is, and just jab the nail in the wall, take the frame away, see where my hole is, right there, and we'll see if this works. And it should leave a little bit of a gap between the two paintings, and they should be pretty well centered with each other. How smart am I here? It's really heavy. Oh, you know why? Because the other frame had two nails, and that's what was holding it. So you know what? I'm just going to put the original lei hanging from there. Or do we need that at all? Maybe that's tacky. Alright, I'll take that down. And maybe I'll just put them in a little basket or something. I could get a funky little hook and hang them from a hook. That'd be kind of neat, wouldn't it? Shoot, and they had really neat hooks at Ikea today. Thank you so much for coming with us. We're going to get up to some more things this week. I don't know what. Scott will be thrilled that we're driving around and spending money and wasting gas. We will bring you on another adventure this week. So I thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. Alright, take care guys. See ya.